Fraud and Order, Cybercrime Unit. Dun dun. Big business, small mistake. It always seemed like this was something you read about. Another big business falling victim to online fraud. But when their computers were hacked and they were being held ransom, they realized it could happen to anyone. Hackers usually make their way in through the smallest crack, like when a staff member receives an email that looks like it came from their boss. Thinking nothing of it, they click on it. This leads to the installation of malware on their computer, granting the hackers access to their files. There are risks with paying a ransom. Seek out a ransomware expert immediately to assess your options and strengthen your systems. Educate your staff and keep up to date on the latest cybersecurity threats and scams, like phishing. And if an email looks unusual, make sure it's legit by confirming directly with a phone call to the sender. Another case closed by the CCU.